Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service with another quick tutorial video, this time on our Vive trekking poles. The sets of trekking poles that you'll receive will come with 4 attachments, 2 tips for the very end and 2 guards to go just over the tip. The tips will be the asphalt tip here, which is good for hard surfaces, paved walks, streets, sidewalks, stuff like that. Our rounded standard tip, which is good for hard surfaces, soft surfaces, on-road, off-road, just kind of a general use tip there. As for the guards, the smaller guard is our gravel guard. This is good for keeping the tip from sinking into gravel, sand, some of the looser materials you'd find off-road. And then finally there's the snow guard, which, just as it sounds, is to prevent the tip from sinking in while you're walking through snow. Now, the guards will fit over the tip here, past this little carbide bit at the end that keeps the tip from deforming if it hits a rock or anything like that. These will just screw on. There's some threads right here. These screw on very simply. And you'll see once they reach the top here, they won't go any further. So that's in place. And the tips themselves will just fit over the end here. They're held on by friction. If you need to replace them, change them out, swap them out for a different one, whatever it may be, it's easy to just kind of wiggle them free. Take the other tip, fit it over, maybe give it a press to make sure it's on there. And it's as simple as that. Thanks so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if it's been helpful.